how do you want us to help? What is needed? What is your name?
I'm Victor.
Victor, what is your contact number? Tak, tolong bagi kat Upin. Okay, your contact number. As long as we get the contact number, we can call you.
I'm very truly suffering, cannot even breathe.
Today we meet and then we see how we can help. So number is that. Okay, bagi alamat. Number dah ambil kan? Monday you contact Keso, BKM, something. So Monday you will contact and then arrange for visit. Get the details and then on Monday okay. Alright, Victor, don't worry. Okay, we try our best.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for helping us. Thank you so much.
Take care, yeah. Okay, Monday call. Alright.
Thank you.